Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3, the 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to update the applications on this watch. So if you want to update the applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone. Also, you will need to have a Google account copied to your phone because you will need to use the Google Play Store, and to use that you need to have a Google account on your watch. And to copy the Google account, you simply go to the Settings, Other, Google, Accounts, and if you don't have any account right here, you will need to tap on Add Google Account, tap on this icon, and basically on the phone that is paired with your watch, you will see the pop-up on the screen, and you need to select the account you want to use, and then you need to tap on Continue. And once you copy the Google account, you will be able to use the Google services on your watch. It's here on the list now, so we can go to the Play Store. So let's open the app menu, tap on the Play Store icon, and in the Play Store we can scroll down and look for the option called Manage Apps. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the list of updates available for our applications. And to update the apps, you can do it separately. So each app, you can tap on it and then tap on Update. It will update the app. The only one app you updated, basically selected and then tapped on Update. So it will only update this application. But you can also tap on this Update All button that was there. Let's wait until it's done installing. Okay, we have this Update All button, and we'll basically queue everything for update. And once the applications are done updating, the list will basically disappear, or the applications that are updated or done updating will disappear from this Updates Available list. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can press the Crown button, and that's how you update applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.